Grandma? Where are you? That is strange. Grandma's not here today. Grandma always sits here and talks to me. But today, the chair is empty. Maybe Grandma is in the garden. No, I cannot see her there. Where did she go? This is not normal. Grandma never goes anywhere without telling me. Mom! Mom! Mom!
Yes, Lena? Why are you calling me like that?
Mom, where is Grandma? I cannot find her anywhere.
Lena, don't worry. Grandma is in her room.
In her room? Why is she not outside?
She is feeling a little tired today.
Tired? Why is she tired? Did something happen?
No, nothing serious. She just needs some rest.
But Grandma always wakes up early. She always smiles and talks to me. Today the house feels very quiet.
Lena, Grandma is getting old now. Sometimes she feels weak and needs extra care.
Oh, I understand. I want Grandma to feel happy again. I will go and see her now.
That is a good idea. Go slowly and don't disturb her too much.
I will make Grandma smile today. Grandma, are you awake? I came to see you.
Oh, Lena, come closer, my dear. I am awake, just resting quietly.
Mom said you are not feeling well today. Are you feeling very tired?
Yes, a little tired. My body feels slow today, so I am taking some rest.
Grandma, can I sit next to you for some time? I don't want you to feel alone.
Of course, Lena, your company always makes me feel better.
Grandma, can I ask you something? I have many questions in my mind.
You can ask me anything. I like your curious questions.
Why do you feel tired so often? Yesterday you were smiling and talking happily.
That is a good question. When people grow older, their body becomes weaker slowly.
Does that mean your body cannot work like before?
Yes, I can still do many things, but I cannot do them for a long time.
I see. So you need more rest than me and Leo, right?
Exactly. Rest helps me feel better and gives me energy again.
Grandma, do you feel sad when you cannot do things like before?
Sometimes I feel a little sad, but I feel happy when I am with you.
I don't like seeing you tired. I want you to always smile like before.
Life changes slowly, Lena, but love and happiness stay the same.
Grandma, can I help you with something today? I want to take care of you.
Just sitting with me and talking like this is already a big help.
Then I will stay with you for some time and tell you a story.
That sounds lovely. I am ready to listen.
Hey, why is it so quiet here? Are you both having a secret meeting without me?
Leo, come inside. Grandma is resting, so don't speak too loudly.
Oh, I see. Grandma, are you okay? You look a little tired today.
I am fine, Leo. Just feeling a bit weak, so I am taking rest.
When I feel weak, I eat something sweet and feel better. Should I bring you something?
Leo, this is not the same. Grandma needs rest, not too many sweets.
Okay. I was just trying to help in my own way.
That is very kind of you, Leo. Your thought itself makes me happy.
Then I will try something better. Wait, I have an idea!
What idea? Please don't do anything too funny.
No promises. I will be back in 1 minute.
Grandma, I brought an apple and some water. This is healthy and simple.
That is a very thoughtful idea. Thank you, Leo.
See, Leo, this is a good way to help someone. Yes, I am learning slowly. I am becoming responsible now.
Both of you are taking such good care of me today. I feel very lucky.
Grandma, you always take care of us. Now it is our turn to take care of you.
Yes, today we are your helpers. You don't have to do anything.
Just sitting with me and talking like this already makes me feel much better. Then we will stay here with you and keep you company.
And I can also tell a funny story to make you smile.
Grandma, you have been sitting here for a long time. Are you feeling bored in the room?
A little, Lena. The room feels quiet today, but I am okay.
I have an idea. Why don't we go to the backyard for some fresh air?
The backyard? That sounds nice, but I am not sure if I can walk easily.
Don't worry, Grandma. I will walk slowly with you and hold your hand. Grandma, walk slowly. Hold my hand. The ground is a little uneven here.
Thank you, my dear. The fresh air feels wonderful.
Grandma, sit comfortably. I will adjust this chair for you.
This feels nice. The fresh air is very relaxing.
And listen, the birds are singing just for you. It sounds like a small concert.
That is very sweet, Leo. It makes me smile.
Grandma, today we are your helpers. You don't have to do anything.
I feel very special today. Thank you, Leo.
Grandma, you are never alone. We are always with you.
I know that, and that gives me strength every day.
Today was a little different. We didn't play much, but I still feel very happy inside.
Hearing that makes my heart very happy. I feel lucky to have both of you.
Grandma, you always take care of everyone in the house.
That is because I love my family very much. Now it is our turn to take care of you and make you feel happy.
Yes, today you are the queen, and we are your helpers.
Then I am the luckiest queen in the world.
Just relax and enjoy this time with us.